this is Paul. He plays a mobile game. He currently sits at 0 LP, Gold 3. And he wants to make it to Emerald 1 by the end of this split of the season. This means he needs 1000 LP. Supposing plus 25 LP per win and minus 25 LP per loss, how many games does he have to play? Well, how many wins does he need? We can get the answer by dividing the amount of LP Paul needs by the amount he is awarded per win. So 1000 divided by 25 equals 40. Paul needs 40 games. No, wait, wins. Paul needs 40 wins. There is a catch. A win could be negated by a loss, so to gain any points we need pure wins. Or, phrased correctly, we need net games or net wins. This is just the number of won games minus the number of lost games. So Paul, our dear friend, needs 40 net wins. How many games does he need to play? Well, let's bring in some more friends. Say hello to Chris. He has an amazing win rate of 100%. This means that he only needs to play 40 games to win 40 games. This is me, looking like an LA Minotaurus. Suppose I'm terrible at the game and enjoy a win rate of 0%. How many games do I need to play? Strict mathematics dictate that I play none, as each game will just end up deducting my LP and put me further away from the goal. After 4 games, I would have gone from needing 1000 LP to needing 1100 LP. Oh hey, what's up my violet space titan? He has a perfectly balanced win rate of 50%. How many games for this guy? Well, probably an infinite number of games. But why or how? Suppose we are confining everything to be strictly mathematical or statistical. If Chris played 100 games, he would have 100 net wins. If I played 100 games, I would have 100 net losses. If our violet space titan played 100 games, he would have 0 net wins and 0 net losses. If some mysterious lady with a win rate of 60% played 100 games, she would have 20 net wins. If the same lady played 200 games, she would have 40 net wins. Wait, that's our goal. 40 equals 120 minus 80, which is 200 times win rate minus 200 times lose rate. And win rate plus lose rate equals 1. Therefore, 40 equals 200 times win rate minus 200 times in brackets 1 minus win rate. Ultimately, 40 equals 200 times win rate minus 1 plus win rate. Replacing the equation with the right parts gives us net wins equals number of games times in brackets 2 times win rate minus 1. Reorganize so that we can calculate the number of games. Number of games equals net wins divided by in brackets 2 times win rate minus 1. Let's see if it works. For Chris, 40 divided by in brackets 2 times 1.0 minus 1 equals 40 divided by in brackets 2 minus 1, which equals 40 games. For me, 40 divided by in brackets 2 times 0 minus 1 equals 40 divided by minus 1, which equals minus 40 games. Don't play. For the violet space titan, 40 divided by in brackets 2 times 0.5 minus 1 equals 40 divided by 0, which is not divisible, or more conveniently put, infinite in this case. We now have a formula. Number of games required equals number of net wins required divided by in brackets 2 times win rate minus 1. So what about Paul? We need to know his win rate. If it is 51% or 0.51, 40 divided by in brackets 2 times 0.51 minus 1 equals 40 divided by 1.02 minus 1, which equals 2000 games. If it is 54% or 0.54, the same equation gives us 500 games. And if it is 65% or 0.65, we get 133.3333 games. Using the same formula, here are a table and a graph of how many games Paul would need to play given various win rates, 51% to 100%. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot. I also roughly calculated how many games one can possibly play. Supposing that every game is 30 minutes long on average, in a year it is 17,520 games. Since 2 games times 24 hours times 365 days in a year equals 17,520. This is if we play non-stop around the clock for 365 consecutive days in a year. We may feel extremely generous and round this up to 18,000 games. Therefore, it is physically impossible to play more than 18,000 games per season in a 1 split equal 1 season environment, 9,000 games per split in a 2 splits equal 1 season environment, and 6,000 games per split in a 3 splits equals 1 season environment. Thanks for watching, happy grinding, and more videos coming soon.